Hey guys, I am Hamid Alinian, a full stack developer. I am here to show you how to install login with phone number plugin on your WordPress website. Let's dive in. Okay, this plugin is for login with phone number. You get OTP, you get OTP over your phone or your email, or you can log in with Google or social media, and we have a feature also that you can also get OTPs on your WhatsApp, okay? And Telegram features is going to be added soon. Okay, here we should have this form that there are flags here, okay? Or you can enable only one country, and user enter phone number, I don't know, for example. What is this? I have configured it before on this website. If the phone number is wrong, it will tell you that authentication is invalid because phone number is too short, okay? Whatever. I didn't want to show this. I just wanted to show you that there is a form like this, and if user enter phone number, we will proceed to next steps. Okay, let's get back to installation. This is my WordPress website. I go to plugin. You should add plugin here. Search for OTP login, for example. Sorry, the internet is so slow. Okay, here is, you can install it. Here it is, you can install it. And you wait until installation complete. Until installation complete. Until okay. You activate it from here. You know everyone. Is there anybody that is not able to install plugins like this? Oh, I have added this feature too. This is very okay. This is a plugin setting page, okay, and I've resetted this website. I'm going to showing you in this incognito mode that there is a template, default template on it, and I need to create a page. I don't have WooCommerce installed. Pay attention, I don't have WooCommerce. If you have WooCommerce, then we will rewrite forms on my account page, and there you can see it by default and not to add shortcut. But here we don't have WooCommerce plugin, so we create a page, name it login, and add our shortcut here. Our shortcut is this, edweb underline LWP. Okay, we publish it. Okay, and we're in this page in incognito window. Okay, you will see a page here. Pay attention. If I open this page in here, I don't see any form. I just see this message here. Okay, because I'm logged in. How to show a login form to a man who is logged in already? Okay, so on incognito mode, or you can open it in another browser, or you can open it in other browser. Okay, so here we have enabled by default all countries. Okay, and there's a checkbox, and if user enter phone number, something should happen. Okay, here I can in general tab, in country code accepted in front, I can limit my country usage. Okay, for example, what countries? For example, I want Iraq, I want Iran, I want United Arab Emirates, I need Turkey, Armenia, for example. Okay, then I save it. After I save this part, I can choose a default country. Okay, for now, we are randomly choosing default country between these countries, but if you select default country, not if you should select default country. Okay, so I'm going to select my default country on Iran, for example, on Iran, and save the change. Okay, so here is the country, and next step, I think we are better to uncheck this part. Okay, and if you do not need the user enter email after he is logged in with phone number, you can uncheck this. Okay, this is forcing user to enter his email after authentication with phone number is complete. Okay, sorry. Another important thing, I want to enable registration. I need to enable this option, and that's on this tab we are okay. We save change, and here there was login with email also, but now if I refresh this, sorry, if I refresh this, the email OTP button is gone now. Okay, now I have a form that I can proceed with phone number authentication only. Okay, I enter my phone number. Where is my phone? No problem. Okay, I enter my phone number. I submit it to see what will happen. I think I have installed. By default, on Gateway tab, okay, System Default is enabled, and System Default is working with these credits. Okay, we provide this service for you to get OTP on your WhatsApp, and you can use this. But for not using WhatsApp and using SMS gateway, you can delete this and choose one of these gateways. Okay, two-factor, Alibaba, Dr. Payamak, Firebase, Faraz SMS, Golden Milli Payamak, Mshastra, MSG91, MessageBird, and other. And we are adding Telegram. We have Twilio as pro version of Tabnet. I think Tabnet is for Saudi Arabia. I think, I have no idea. Trust Signal and Text Local and WhatsApp Meta and everything. Okay. Normally, user use Firebase. Okay, because it's the most cheapest, I think. And we have help here. Okay, you can open this and go through this blog. I have written it at 2021. Okay, this is helpful for adding Firebase gateway as your SMS gateway. Okay, so, or you can enable custom gateway and configure default SMS gateway. Okay, so look, for sending SMS, we need to configure SMS gateway. So we need a gateway. But now here, for testing and for showing installation process, I save this with empty values, and now I've entered my phone number. I think yes, and it's waiting for activation code. Okay, let me do it again. Send code again, and the timer is a start. I should go to user part, and I see in front of my phone number with country code and activation code. So I copy this activation code and enter it here. It needs password from me to add a new password, okay? Because I've just registered, okay? And I need to enter password unless I can disable this functionality in my setting page. On installation or on form. On form, I can't uncheck this one. I want user login with password too. No, I don't. I just need only enter OTP and get in, or I need to have password. Everyone can choose what he likes. And so here, I refresh this. I am logged in now. Okay. Again, I'm showing you. Again, I am showing you. What's this? What? Oh. This is my login page. Here, I'm going to show you with other phone number now. Okay? This is our current user list. I enter phone number, new phone number. For example, something else. Okay, I submit it. The activation code is sent, and if we have configured custom SMS gateway or other SMS gateway, but now that we are testing, we have activation code here, and we are also showing registered date here. Okay, we copy this activation code, we paste it here, and it will completely activate my account and load the profile or reload the page. Okay, now I am logged in and I can continue installation or add multiple SMS gateway, or add extra fields. Of course, extra fields on registration is in our pro version. There are many options. Everybody need anything like this. For example, most people need to use it on checkout page. Okay, you copy the shortcut, you put it in your WooCommerce checkout page, and there, when somebody go forward to checkout, he will see the form over there that is forcing him to log in with phone number. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video until here. I'm a full stack developer. We are a good team for developing your software, web applications and mobile applications. And you come here and check our website on ederweb.com and you can see our products. Goodbye.